Alrighty, everybody, I'm at work. I'm just gonna have a quick cigarette and then go in. I made some moves in games that I had off. I didn't know I was recording. Should do this one where I got checkmate. And yeah, so there's a whole bunch here. Like this one because now I'm attacking the rook. If he moves the rook, I get the knight. Yeah, I'll show you this one. The other ones didn't really develop much. So this one, you know, if he runs, you know, I can do a series of checks. Yeah, well, there's something in this situation where I could get checkmate, but it looks like he can run out this round. So, and one of the games I promoted. Let's see. And that one I'm just going to develop those pieces. And this one I pretty much have one. I think that's a safe move there. And interpose. Where's the game that I... Oh, here I give check to the king, my queen, and I'm going to win his rook. So that's good. That equalizes. One of these games I promote to a queen. But, yeah, it's actually raining a little too hard. I don't want to have my phone out, so I'll make another video later, probably inside when it's nice and dry. Catch you guys later.